an object is kept between the two mirrors or three mirrors. So that is called multiple reflection. So when multiple reflection takes place, the number of images formed can be calculated by this formula. N is equal to 360 by theta minus 1. So the topic for this one, what we can write, when reflection takes place more than once, by two or more mirrors, then it is called multiple reflection. Now, after multiple reflection, if the angle between two mirrors is this symbol theta we did, then number of images formed, n is equal to 360 by angle between the two mirrors minus 1. So using this formula we can calculate how many images will form when an object is kept between the two mirrors. So children, over here the actual formula is this one, n is equal to 360 by theta. But what happens that if this ratio is in even number, like 360 by 60, we are getting 6. So what happens, last two images overlap and we see only 5 images. So for that reason minus 1 is used here. So this is the formula to calculate number of images after the multiple reflection. So let's say if the two mirrors are at an angle 90 degree, how many images will form? If theta is equal to 90 degree, then n is equal to 360 by 90 minus 1. So what will happen? We will see only 3 images. And 360 by 90, 4. So third and fourth images overlap and we see only 3 images. Now if theta is equal to 0 degree, means mirrors are parallel and an object is kept between that is the example of beauty parlor, then n is equal to 360 by 0 minus 1, so it will be infinity. So many images we see in beauty parlors and or in jewelry shop. So by this way we calculate number of images formed by the two mirrors. Okay. Now children, the multiple reflection of light is used in periscope or in kaleidoscope. So what are they? Periscope or kaleidoscope are the simple device. Kaleidoscope is only to show you the multiple reflection and its effect. Due to multiple reflection in kaleidoscope, we see beautiful patterns. those patterns are copied by followed by the by factories to design the fabric with different designings, and that is used to show you multiple reflection. And periscope is a simple device which is used to see the objects which are at higher level. Suppose someone hides in lower level and wants to see something above his or her level, then in that case periscope is used. So in brief I am explaining that one. So what happens, periscope is a simple device which is used to see the object at higher level. So see, a periscope consists of this kind of tube, cardboard tube, or a straight tube also can be used. Two mirrors are fixed at the two corners at an angle 45 degree so that they are parallel to each other. Now your kaleidoscope is ready. So suppose someone is here, hide himself or herself, and wants to see someone here. Any object is at higher level. Suppose someone is standing here, and the person who is hiding himself or herself wants to see this person which is at higher level. Then what will happen, that periscope will be used to see that person. So ray of light from that person enters the periscope and strikes the mirror. Now after reflection from this mirror, ray of light will fall over here and will reach the eye of the observer, and the observer will be able to see the person at higher level. See, the lower portion will be seen here and seen here, and the upper means head of the person will be seen here. So by this way over here multiple reflection takes place, and the person will hide himself or herself and will see the person above his or her level. Okay, so this is periscope. Children, you will understand this one. It's very easy. Now there is another device, that is kaleidoscope. This is periscope, and other device is kaleidoscope. This is also a simple device which is used to get beautiful patterns, colorful patterns. For that, what happens, we take thin strips of mirror, and we join them end to end. तो हम लोग को क्या मिलेगा, वो ट्रायंगुलर शेप ट्यूब मिलेगा. उस ट्रायंगुलर शेप ट्यूब में मीन्स रिफ्लेक्टिंग सरफेस सबका एक दूसरे से फेस करता हुआ होगा. तो अगर हम ऐसे शो करें, तो ये शेप होगा उसके अंदर का. तो इसके अंदर ये वाला एंड को हम लोग क्या करते हैं, वो मिरर से ही कवर कर दिया, बंद कर दिया, और उस दूसरे एंड से ओपनिंग से इसमें वो बैंगल्स का 3-4 पीसेस बैंगल का इसमें डाल दिए कलरफुल, एंड इसको हम लोग ट्रांसपेरेंट ग्लास से बंद कर देते हैं. ये 1 2 3 स्ट्रिप्स ऑफ प्लेन मिरर, उसको रेगुलर शेप में हम लोग वो अटैच कर दिए, ज्वाइन कर दिए. एक एंड को हम लोग बंद कर देते हैं मिरर से, और दूसरे एंड से हम लोग कलरफुल पीसेज ऑफ बैंगल उसमें डाल दिया और इसको ट्रांसपेरेंट ग्लास से बंद कर दिया. नाउ इफ वी रोटेट द tube, we will see beautiful patterns inside the kaleidoscope, and it is used to by the by manufacturer or in fabric industry to get the beautiful patterns. Okay, so these were the topics related to multiple reflection, and reflection chapter for class 8 is over. Thank you for watching this video. Children, so study well and prepare yourself well.